everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of emulated on the application of Telegram. We go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page we're scrolling down until you find this window here of Telegram, as you see, and you will click. Then in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.